Here with Rick at McKeesport Woodworks. We're going to do the acid test on HardStop. We don't know what this is going to do, but he's going to take a hammer to it and see how hard the stop is. Go for it, Rick.
All right.
Anything?
Here's a little dent right there.
I would say that would protect the wall.
Yeah. You're not going to hit it any harder than that. Right there, you're walking down the wall. There's nothing there.
Nothing. Okay, purposely try to put a monkey face in it.
I didn't even put a mark.
Rick can't put a monkey face. And for those who don't know what a monkey face is, it's kind of hitting the product at an angle with the face of the hammer, which in normal circumstances would leave quite a gouge.
Bounce right off.
Cut.